Alright guys, how's it going? So I thought I would take a look at a few different add-ons today, and this is from Stormberg90. They're available on GitHub for free, link in the description as always. Now one thing you can do here is you can actually right click on the Python file, save link as, and that will save the Python, or you can jump into scripts and you can clone or download the directory. Now he has a few different scripts, Max and Maya, but we're interested in the Blender ones. And he has a nice collection here. You have Maya style merge tool. You also have context select, which emulates Maya selection, so if you're used to Maya, this might be a good program for you straight away. But the one I'm interested in is edges to curve, and we also have duplicate along a curve. So I've installed these, let's jump into Blender, and in traditional fashion, we'll delete the cube. I'll press Shift and A and I'll add in a circle. The next thing I'll do is I'll come to the modifier tab and I'll add in a screw modifier. I'll change the axis to Y and I'll give it a depth of something like 3 meters. I'll also put the steps up just a little bit to make it smoother, and I'll hit apply. And we get a basic shape like this. I'll tab into edit mode to select edges, and I'm going to hold in Alt and I'm going to do a loop select, something like this. Now this tool doesn't come with a UI, so we need to search, so press F3 on the keyboard and look for edges to curve. And as soon as we click it, we can actually control the curve. Pretty damn cool. And just like any other curve, we can come into the geometry options and we can control things like the depth, the bevel, etc. But also check this out, I'm going to hide the initial curve. I'll select the screw, I'll tab back into edit mode. I'm still on edges, I'll press Alt to do a loop select here. I'll press Shift and Alt and I'll do another one here. And why not, we'll do a third one for good measure. And again, I'll search for edges to curve. As soon as I click it, it does all different curves. Now this would be pretty damn hard to model, and it's a pretty good tool. It makes things just that little bit quicker. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start a new scene and we'll look at duplicate along a curve. And we'll spin the default cube of mystery. Ooh. And we'll scale it down. And I'll quickly add in a Bezier curve, for example. I'll scale this up just so we have something a little bit bigger. And what I'm going to do is I have the curve selected. I'm then going to press Shift and select the box. I'll press F3 to bring up my search box, and I'll search for duplicate along a curve. And let's see what we get. Pretty damn cool. So we'll quickly check out the modifiers and see what they're doing. And all it's essentially doing is an array, and it's doing along a curve. Pretty damn handy, to be honest. So we have a nice couple of scripts here, very handy, makes things just a little bit quicker. Do me a favour guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, follow me on Twitter, I've got a few mates now, you know what to do. Peace.